I know, you love your logo, but does it work well with your website? Let's find out this week on Website Wednesday. Hey everyone, and welcome to Website Wednesday, your weekly destination for tips on how to improve your business website. You know, your logo is an important part of your business identity. It represents your company and sets the tone for the rest of your branding. However, when business owners get their logo developed, they rarely think about how the logo will look in various places, including your website. So if you're looking to get a new logo or redesign your existing logo, here are some tips to keep in mind when it comes to displaying your logo on your website. Number one, it's best to use a horizontally oriented logo. A logo typically will be located at the top of your website, which is known as the header. And you want to make sure that that header isn't taking too much vertical space on your website, because really you want people to get to the most important information on your website, and that's what's contained in the body. So you don't want a lot of space being taken up by your header. So you want to make sure that the logo is horizontally oriented so that it isn't taking up too much space, and then you end up having a lot of white space or empty blank space in the header of your website. So if you do have a logo currently that's more boxy or like a circle or something that takes up a lot of vertical space, consider getting it redone or having an alternative version done that will look better on a website and have it be horizontally oriented. Second tip is to make sure that the text is legible. People will be viewing your website on different sized devices and at different distances. So you want to make sure that it's legible and it's easy to be read at different distances. So that means not using crazy fonts or very thin fonts or very small wording. Also, don't include things like a slogan or non-essential words inside the header image. You just kind of want to keep it simple. And if you have any additional messages that you want to put across, you can put those in the body of your website or in other places. But the logo should really just be your business name and some sort of graphical representation of your business. Otherwise, you want to keep it simple. Number three is to make sure that the image has a transparent background. If your image has a transparent background, that means no matter where you put the logo on your website, the background will always match the background of the website. That's better than trying to change the color of the background of your logo to always match the background color of your website. You have way more flexibility. And also sometimes the colors don't match exactly. So the logo background might be a slightly different color than the website background. And then you can see the difference there. And that doesn't look very good. The best way to get around that is to have a transparent logo. And keep in mind that a PDF file is not an image. So make sure that you're delivering the logo to your webmaster, or when you try to put the logo on your website, that you're using an image file. And normally to have a transparent background, you're looking for either a PNG image or a GIF image. A JPEG or JPG image does not allow for a transparent background. So keep that in mind as well. The file format does matter when you're trying to get a transparent background. And finally, number four, all of this stuff can be solved by seeking out a professional to design your logo. So I highly recommend that you don't try to do it yourself, or you don't try to do some free or cheap logo design maker online. Instead, invest in your logo, invest in your business brand and your business identity, and hire a professional to design your logo. Professionals think about things like colors, contrasting colors, complementary colors. They think about proportion, sizing, spacing, legibility. All of this stuff they think about, so they will make you an awesome logo that will look good on your website. All right, guys, ultimately a logo should be unique and represent your business well. Make sure you follow these tips, and they will make it a lot easier for your logo to shine on your website. All right, guys, tune in next week when we'll talk about navigation menus. Don't forget to subscribe or follow me here so you can keep up with all of the latest videos, and I'll see you next week on Website Wednesday.